Welcome. If you want to stop Google Chrome from automatically filling in your payment details every time you shop online, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable autofill payment methods in the Google Chrome app, so you can keep your information private and take control of your browsing experience. First, let's open the Chrome app on your device. Look for the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen and tap on them. This opens the main menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your Chrome experience. Next, in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. Tap on it. This is where Chrome stores your saved credit cards, debit cards, and other payment information for quick checkouts on websites. Now here's the key step. You'll see an option called Save and Fill Payment Methods. By default, this feature is usually turned on, which means Chrome will automatically offer to fill in your payment details whenever you're making a purchase online. To disable this, simply tap the toggle switch next to Save and Fill Payment Methods. When the switch turns gray, autofill for payment methods is now off. That's it. From now on, Chrome won't automatically suggest or fill in your saved payment information when you're shopping or filling out forms online. If you ever change your mind and want to turn this feature back on, just follow the same steps and flip the switch back to on. Taking a moment to adjust this setting can help protect your financial details and give you more control over what information is shared online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.